My student hates writing. No, they don't. They just don't know what to write. So what they need is a structure. Now, I was all about structures for different kinds of paragraphs. I had all different types of anchor charts up around my classroom when I was teaching, but the one that we used most common for constructed response was the RACE format. So RACE is an acronym for Restate, Answer, Cite, and Explain. So the student knows exactly what they're going to do when in the response. So when they're reading and they come to the question at the end, and I do suggest that they read the question first. I know there are teachers who don't like that format, but I really think, especially with struggling readers, it helps them focus in while they're reading. So read the question first, then read the passage, then come back and answer. So you're going to restate the question while answering it. If that is hard for your student, they can restate, then answer. Then they're going to cite, that's the C, cite the text. And when we cite the text, all we're doing is going back into the text and finding the passage that answers the question. So if the question is, give 2 reasons why the lion should be the king of the jungle, they're going to go back into the text and find 2 reasons that are mentioned in the text why the lion is the king of the jungle. And then the explain is their own words using inferences to support that analysis, that answer that the lion is the king of the jungle because he has a loud roar and the other animals fear him, whatever. And they're going to explain why that would make him the king of the jungle in their own words. That's it. That's it, is structure. So my guess is that your student is lacking a structure to answer those constructed response questions. And once they practice that, it will come second nature to them. So remember, restate, answer, cite, explain. And the more they practice it, the easier it will come. Just like riding a bike, just like learning to kick a ball or hit a ball with a baseball bat, or all of those things that our kids learn to do, they need to practice it over and over again. So just doing it once will not be mastery. We have to practice it because students are going to face these type of questions in every single subject that they have, and they need to be able to do it without ChatGPT, because more and more teachers are requiring students to go back old school and hand write out those answers.